It is hair mask day and I'm really excited to get my hair feeling better. The summertime really takes it out of my hair. It feels so dry, brittle, and I'm ready to fix that. Everything in this mask you can find in your pantry. It's all natural, organic ingredients. So all you need is olive oil, coconut milk, and an egg. This one I'm really excited about because it takes coconut milk. I love the smell of coconut. The fatty acids in coconut milk give an extreme moisturizing effect. So that's why this stuff is magic for your hair. Coconut milk not only helps detangle unruly hair, but it also boosts moisture from scalp to ends. So when combined with olive oil and protein-packed eggs, this mask will condition the hair to help retain the shine. And who doesn't want shiny hair? And I highly recommend grabbing your ponyo because the ponyo is perfect for masks. A, it doesn't damage your hair, and B, it's not going to take any of the nutrients from the mask because it's silicone. I have no idea if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try together and see how it goes. So let's get messy. I'm just gonna dig in. I don't like, do you just like dipping my hair? Doesn't smell bad at all. Ooh, good texture. Ooh, buddy. Ah, this is why you grab your husband's shirt and not one of yours. All right, I'm just gonna pour it on, right? It already, honestly, like the texture down here, it feels like I have like a leave-in conditioner in. It feels really nice. Now I'm just gonna kind of like rub it in. It says to keep it in for 20 minutes, so I'm going to do that. I'm just gonna let it soak up all that goodness and all those natural ingredients and let it really soak into my scalp. I'm using my fingernails to really get it in there. I'm going to use my ponyo to get my hair off my neck and avoid more of a mess. Also, what's great about the ponyo is, again, it does not soak up any of that nutrients, any of the goodness. It just holds your hair up without damaging. Guys, no damage. It's a dream come true. If you don't have a ponyo, go get you one. But what's great about the ponyo as a company is that it's all about the health of your hair. So that's why these masks and the ponyo go hand in hand, because we're trying to get your hair healthy, guys. No more breakage and nice, sleek, healthy hair is the goal. 20 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I let it sit for 20 minutes, took a shower, and this is the final result. You can really see the difference in shine and smoothness of the hair. You see how that dullness is just completely gone. Highly impressed with this mask. Do you see how shiny that is? Yeah, this is definitely a mask that I would try again for sure. And the ingredients are probably in your pantry already. So it's so easy, all natural, no hefty price tag. Some of these hair masks go for $50, $60. This cost me probably $2. And I'm impressed. I would absolutely do this again. So I took my ponyo out after using the mask and washed it with soap and water, and it came right out. So the ponyo and mask are a match made in heaven.